Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about Chinese University of Hong Kong undergraduate admission, and we'll discuss scholarship opportunities for undergraduate admission at Chinese University of Hong Kong. Admission scholarships for undergraduate only. Admission scholarship. Chinese University of Hong Kong offers admission scholarships to both local and non-local new undergraduate students on the basis of their excellence academic or non-academic performance. There is no need for students to apply these scholarships. The university will identify the qualified new students and inform the selected students for the scholarship offers. The coverage of the scholarship is the value of each admission scholarship ranges from 5,000 Hong Kong dollars to full tuition fee coverage. Many of the admission scholarships are renewable for normative period of study program subjective to satisfactory academic progress. Okay. Some of the admission scholarship will also include an allowance of 45,000 dollars per year. Okay, local students, this is the scholarship JUPAS and non-JUPAS for non-JUPAS local students with results they have mentioned here. Okay, this was for local students. Now for non-local students from mainland China, non-local students from mainland China with CUHK results, students from other regions with academic qualification which meet undergraduate admission requirements. Okay, this is the eligibility criteria for the scholarship. Now these are list of scholarship. First is Hong Kong SAR government scholarship. You can take a look here. This is the coverage of the scholarship. Similarly, Road and Belt scholarship. All the details are mentioned here, and if you want to see further details, then you can click here. Now you can see that Hong Kong University, Chinese University of Hong Kong will nominate the suitable first year undergraduate students to Education Bureau for the Belt and Road Scholarship. Application for this scholarship is not required, so you don't need to provide this application for that scholarship. Similarly, you don't need to provide separate application for that scholarship, and all other scholarships are mentioned here. Sports scholarship based on non-academic areas, honors at entrance, and admission scholarship supported by donors. Now you can take a look, and they have mentioned some scholarship. For some scholarship you need to apply, for some scholarship you don't need to apply. You just need to apply for your admission, and then they will provide the scholarship based on your qualification. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. I will add the link in the description. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I wish you best of luck and take care. Bye bye.